Okay, today we're going to do a quick video on how to clean the bathroom really fast and easy. So what we're going to use today is this microban. It says 24-hour, it keeps killing bacteria. It says prevents mold and mildew for 7 days. And we're going to use this spray away glass cleaner. So the first thing you want to do is, I like to put on my cleaning gloves. So, we're going to have two rags. One's going to be a wet rag and one's going to be to dry it off. Also going to have a sponge here. Might use it on the toilet. This depends how dirty it is. Okay, so first thing you want to spray the countertop, the microban, and the inside of the sink. And you can just let it rest there, and you can see on the sink there's some spotting from, and on the mirror too, from brushing teeth. Okay. So then we take our wet rag and we just go in circular motion, make sure we get everything we can before we get to the metal. I also spray inside the sink, inside both sinks. Let it sit there, work its magic. Okay, wasn't really that dirty. So now, let's move the camera here. And we can see, I'm gonna do the sink real quick. Here's the before. And it really doesn't take a long time, but if you keep on top of maintenance like anything else, including your body, it's gonna be real easy to get super clean again. So here, there's some hairs from shaving. Easily clear away, but just use it with the water. If you're a perfectionist like me. Okay, so now just clean the metal part here. So it's nice and sparkly. Huge difference. Still got some hairs, so instead of using the wet one, I'm going to use the dry to get the final bit clean here. So here is going to be the after. Huge difference. Now do the glass cleaner. So I just spray it on here like this, kind of like graffitiing. And honestly, you can use the same rag as you use for the sink. And then just go in circles, like so. Sometimes it picks up hair, so you might need more rags if you can do more bathroom. But when you take the dry towel, and kind of just dry it off, go in circle motion here. You can also use paper towels. Honestly, that's probably better than the dry rag. Dry rag sometimes leaves little white fluff, but I mean, if it didn't bother you, see, much better. So now we move to the toilet. So here's the before. It's not honestly that dirty. Make sure, get everything. Okay. So do. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, take the same microband stuff, and I use a little knee pad thing, and then I just spray around the lid, spray underneath the lid, spray all around the inside of the bowl, spray around the outside of the bowl at the bottom here, around there, just basically the whole porcelain. You just want to cover it in a nice easy layer of this microband stuff. And now we'll take our wet rag as before. Actually, this wet rag's a little dirty, so what I'm going to do is get another rag. You should have at least 10 rags. So that you can easily transition. Okay. Honestly, cleaning toilet's really not that bad. You just spray it, let the spray do the work, and then I like to do the rim first before I do the inside. And make sure when you close the lid, you do the back half there in the top. So spray that so it looks nice and clean all around. There's some dust on top of this toilet. So then you go like this. Just get every crevice you can. Use some power. So then I do the bottom half like I showed. Just spray around. Go around the bolts, go around the bottom. Also in front of the toilet. Make sure you do all that. So you really shouldn't take that long. This is a couple of minutes and basically you're done. Then you spray on the inside of the bowl and you just wipe in circle. Here, I'll try to show you. Like that. Make sure you get the inside. And like I said, if you keep on top of it, it's just a lot easier. And if you let it get bad, especially if you have hard water stains. And the chemical does all the work, really. There you go, nice and clean. And then you just rinse it. And then that's the wet rag, and then you get your dry rag, and you just do a quick dry around. It's nice, like it's brand new. It's the beautiful thing about porcelain. You can get it super clean, really easy. Even if it was super dirty before. So that's basically how you clean the bathroom. Now, if we remember our other video, you can see that the shower is actually holding up really well from the last super cleaning that I did. So what I like to do now to keep up the work, you here is the same. So we're just gonna use the microban. We're gonna spray it around like that, okay? And then we're gonna take our rag, go in circular motion, like so. See, we're getting all the hairs, but really this is a really clean bathtub, so there's really not a lot to scrub, which is good. And then you run the water a little bit. Like so. Okay, and now let's do a quick experiment. I found this other small brush that I had, and I was really wondering if it's gonna do a better job than the rag I use. So here we still got some staining, so I'm gonna spray it with some of this microban stuff, and I'm gonna use the brush to go back and forth like that. I don't know if you guys can see it. So there. It's really looks like it's cleaning it pretty good. So next thing I'm going to use is the rag, and then let's see the difference. Let's use my finger to wipe away any and all mildew there. And this stuff says it's going to stop growing mold and mildew for 7 days, but this is just hard water stain. It's not mold and mildew. It's just the way it comes out of the shower. Actually came out pretty good. Okay, so that's basically how, and then of course you take out the trash, but that's basically, see how much cleaner that is?